Hao, ni hao. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Bugs Kitchenette. And today's video, we're going to cook egg drop soup. So, kakailangan natin dito yung ating cilantro. We need here also spring onion. Hiniwalay ko yung stalk at saka yung leaves. And then, kakailangan natin dito ng eggs. Mixed vegetables. Kakailangan din natin yung 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and add 1/4 cup of water. So, yung ating itlog, nilagyan ko ng 1 tablespoon of water and then we're going to beat it until well combined. And then sa ating kaserola, maglagay tayo ng 750 ml water. Papakaluin lang natin yan. And then, minix ko na yung ating mixed vegetables. Ito yung stock ng ating spring onion. Add 1/2 cube of chicken cube. Maglagay din tayo dito ng white pepper. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Ilagay natin yung ating cilantro. And then naglagay ako dito ng turmeric powder. So wala masyadong madami at nilagay ko na yung ating cornstarch to make it slurry. Dahan-dahan na lang natin ilagay yung ating cornstarch para ma-achieve natin yung ating gustong pagka-slurry ng ating soup. So, dahan-dahan lang natin ilagay yung ating cornstarch to achieve at slurry niya. And then, hinaatin natin yung apoy at ilagay natin yung ating itlog. Huwag nating haluin. And we're going to add our spring onions. So that's it, guys. So that's it. I hope you like our recipe for today. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.